At only 17, my life hasn't been the easiest. I grew up with domestic violence from my family and drug use. I have high anxiety and low mental health. Recently, I've been living on my own in a granny flat. The area has limited public transport. It's been hard. I study and work 3 jobs at the same time to be able to afford my rent and living expenses. Being on my own, I don't have anyone to teach me how to drive or log my learner's hours. Through BFF, I've been able to take driving lessons and I completed my hours. It's helped me gain a full-time mechanic apprenticeship. I was proud and excited to be offered this opportunity. It helped with my anxiety, knowing that I could get my license soon, gain more independence, and drive myself to work. Now, having passed my driving test, I can do just that and move forward with my life.